There are multiple ways to change the color theme of the SimpleSite. One of them is to select a style sheet from DCN's collection. But if you prefer to use your custom style sheet, you can do so with a few simple steps. The first thing you will need is the style sheet, and here's an example. The second thing is optional. To replace the text in this banner area with a graphic logo, you can prepare something similar to this one. This particular example measures 100 pixel high, and anything under 550 pixel wide will fit nicely into the banner area here. What you're looking at is the default appearance of a SimpleSite. The only thing that I've changed is adding 2 items to the navigation panel so that it will be easier for you to view the changes later on. When I edit, I usually open 2 browsers. One I will log in, and the other I will not log in, so that I can view the changes as a member of the public. To log in, I can use the login link on the right here, or I can add at the end of the web address /edit and hit return. And then I can enter my login name and my password and hit the login button here. Here I can click on the continue link to go to the edit mode of the website. And you know you're in the edit mode when you see the green box in the center with options to add contents and edit the site. Make sure you're on the home page with the edit tab highlighted. Near the top you have options to do various things here. Select style from the options, and you'll be taken to a template. Scroll down to the bottom where it says custom CSS, and all you have to do is to replace the text here. So I'm going to open the style sheet. If you use PC, you can use Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl C to copy, and now go back to the SimpleSite and highlight all of this and use Ctrl V to paste into it. As explained in the description here, you do not need to include the tags for style at the beginning and end of the style sheet because they are already supplied for you. Before we save it, let me explain the section right above custom CSS here. This section has been created for the benefits of those with little or no knowledge of CSS. It's an easy means for them to modify the color theme of the website. But because of the way it's currently programmed, they override the custom style sheet. However, it's an easy means for you to make some quick changes if that's what you need. The diagram here explains what area each element affects. The first one, page background color, refers to the background color of the web pages. The second item, contrast background color, refers to the background color for boxed elements like column headers, such as the header for the navigation panel, the current item on the menu, the header for tables and grids, as well as the area right below the banner here. The third element, contrast border color, refers to the border of features such as tables and the navigation panel. Alternating row shading refers to the even rows of tables and grids for easier reading. You can change the color by clicking on the box here to activate the color picker. Select the color you want and hit the accept button here. Alternatively, you can use the color help link here. Similarly, just activate it. Select the color you want, copy the code, and paste it in the box here. And if you already know the color that you want, you can type it in, and that is what I will do here. I will keep the page background color white, and for contrast background color, I will use C2DEFB. And for contrast border color, I want a reddish brown, and 880000 will be good. And for alternating row shading, I'm going to use a lighter blue, F3, F3, F0. And I'm ready to hit save. And then you can see the changed colors here. And I can view it with the other browser where I'm not logged in. And you don't see the changes yet. To do so, if you're using a PC, use the combined keys of Control and the function key of F5 to refresh your browser, and there you can see the changes. Now to change the text here into a graphic logo, make sure you're on the home page and the Edit tab is highlighted. From the options near the top, select Banner. And here you can browse for the graphic. This is the one I would want. Click Open. And it will fill in the information here automatically. Then click Save. Now I'm ready to go to the other website where I'm not logged in. Again, use Control and F5. And there you can see the changes. To conclude this video, I'm going to show you a few examples of the design done by local groups. This one is done by the Central Park Gardens. This one by the YOLO Community Foundation. And this one, the YOLO Casa. This video has been brought to you by DCN, the Davis Community Network.